Today on Happiest Camper, we show you how to make this super useful DIY slouchy tote bag. Talk about roomy! This squared bottom slouchy bag is large enough to carry, well, everything. It is a great solution for your prized possessions while looking stylish and trendy. It is fully lined, reversible, and it comes with the option for a roomy squared bottom or just have a small compact tote. The design is simple, quick, and easy to sew, which makes it perfect for your lifestyle. Let's get started. This project includes a free pattern that you'll need to print and piece together to cut out your fabric pieces. Just visit the link in the video description. Place one main and one lining fabric right sides together, aligning the handles. Pin and sew the handles. You will sew both the inner and outer curves, backstitching at the beginning and end. You will not sew the short section at the top of the handle. Repeat for the other main and lining fabric pieces. Clip the curved area of the handles without cutting into your stitches. To complete the bag handle, take 1/2 of your bag, lay it flat in front of you with the lining fabric facing upwards. Attach a safety pin or bodkin to the lining fabric at the opening in the top of the handle. Feed the safety pin inside the handle until it appears between the main and lining fabric, pulling the handle until it is completely right side out. Take the handle with the safety pin attached and bring it towards the other handle, ensuring the turned strap and the bag are facing right sides together. Feed the safety pin inside the opposite handle until it appears through the opening at the top of the handle. Check again to ensure the main fabric of the handle is facing the main fabric of the bag. Align the raw edge of both handles together, and also position the handles so that the sewn seams are also aligned. If you are enjoying this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Pin the raw edges of both handles together and sew across the top. Ensure to backstitch at the beginning and the end of the stitch. Repeat for the other handle. Place the main fabric's right sides together. Align the side seams and pin from the main fabric, continuing into the lining. Repeat for the other side. Sew the side seam from the main fabric, continuing to the end of the lining. Pin and sew the main fabric of the base of the bag right sides together. Repeat for the lining, only this time leave a 3-inch opening to turn the bag right side out in future steps. If you feel your fabric is very thick and this opening is too small, increase it to 5 inches. To form the squared bottom base of the bag, take the side seam of the bag and align with the seam at the base of the bag. Align, pin, and sew both seams together. You will repeat this step for the remaining 3 corners of the main fabric as well as on the lining fabric. Turn the bag right side out through the opening left in the lining. To close the opening, ensure the raw edges of the opening are turned inside the bag. Sew the opening closed with a straight stitch, backstitching at the beginning and the end of the stitch. Press the bag and top stitch the bag handles. That's it! Now you have a fun slouchy tote bag to match your style.